Is your facility management turning into a chaotic jungle? Without effective systems, achieving seamless real estate and project management is nearly impossible. Introducing RealSoft Facility Management ERP, the king of ERP solutions. Built to bring order, control, and clarity to your real estate and project operations. From service requests to resource allocation, from bills of materials to preventive and post-maintenance schedules. We turn chaos into coordination and action. Empower your business with integrated inventory and employee allocation, AI-integrated centralized workspace, space utilization and asset management, contract management and legal compliance, MIS reports and forecasts, critical project processes and inquiry handling. Take charge, lead the pride. With RealSoft, become the lion in your business.